Marvin. Today, I will be talking about these two tractors. These two tractors are very special. These are both Allis Chalmers WD series. This right here is my 1953 Allis Chalmers WD regular. It's got a straight pipe, it's all painted up. Power steering, it's got everything you ever want. And then this is my 1953 or 54 Allis Chalmers WD45. The Allis Chalmers WD was produced from 1948 to 1953, while the WD45 was produced in 1953 to 1957. These both also came with diesel motors in them. These two are gas motors. They're both 4-cylinder gas. Like I said before, this is a 53 and this is a 53 or 54. We'll have to find out. I'll get into that. We bought this tractor this year in 2023 in the beginning of the year, I think in February or March. And it's been a heck of a tractor ever since. We bought it with the Ferguson tractor. And then we bought this one with the 70 tractor. This one does not run, and I'm gonna get into that. This WD, awesome. It's got hydraulics on the back. Very fun tractor to drive, very loud with the straight pipe on it. And this thing has nothing on it. All it's got is a pair of brand new tires. And a lot of people have been asking, what's gonna happen with this tractor? Well, it's gonna get a new chance at life. Today marks the first day of the restoration project of the WD45. This WD45 has been sitting in our neighbor's barn for years and years and years. They used to use this tractor all the time, but then they left it sit, kind of abandoned it, as you can see. But these are a heck of a bulletproof tractor. The Allis Chalmers WD45 tractor was produced in 1953 to 1957 and was one of their largest tractors at the time. I believe the WD45 diesel was the largest tractor at the time that they produced. We recently bought this tractor and with the 70 for the same price, and she needs a little bit of work, as you can see. And a lot of people have asked what's going to happen, and like I said, it's getting a restoration finally. So how's that going to work? Well, recently I've been going to a trade school that has ag and livestock. Pretty cool class. Love all the people in there, love the teacher. The teacher is actually going to come and pick this up today, and we are going to restore it in ag and livestock. We've done a few tractor restorations there. We just recently did an IH Cub. Restoration will be a process of fixing the motor so it runs and then fixing the back end. The back end has a couple of issues. The brakes are kind of stuck and the wheels are not really the best. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the front end running first and then do the back end. So we're not drowning a bunch of money in the back end if the front end don't work. It's already got front tires on it. We just gotta get the motor running. It should run, it just needs a little love. It's been sitting out here ever since it's got new tires. And yeah, so my teacher is going to come and get this today on our, I think it's an F350 with a gooseneck flatbed on it. We're gonna do that. Load her up and then take her back to school and then see what happens from there. But yeah, it's getting a new chance at life, and then it's gonna have brand new paint. I want to redo the whole thing. I want to clean it all up. I want it original. So I thought I'd make a restoration playlist on this whole project and make it a couple of video series. So I hope you enjoy that whenever it does come out. And I hope you enjoy the mechanical work that we do to that tractor, because I really want it to be nice. This one's nice, but it's not original. Hi, Benny. So when will we see this tractor back? It'll probably be in the spring and summer. But I'll still do videos on it. Also, I have recently just purchased a brand new tractor, which you'll see a couple videos from now, but if you're paying attention, here it is. I bought a Farmall Cub, a red Cub, not an IH Cub. Belly mower on it. It's not running right now, but we're gonna get it running also in ag and livestock probably. There's gonna be some pretty cool videos coming up. We're still working on harvest. We're gonna load this thing up today. That'll be this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. the restoration of the WD-45.
Probably can be straightened, but that, I don't know about that. Is that something that you can get a hold of? Or?
Oh, that front end ain't easy to get?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't. He used it for years out in farming.
Uh-huh. Well, yeah, they were pretty handy, weren't they?
Yeah.
You see the other one over there?
Right. I saw the lawn ornament there. Yeah, that'd be fine.
Yeah. He had that solution.
Wasn't very good on the rims.
Yeah. It ain't been rolled over or nothing.
Right.